Hi everyone, I recently built a mobile app to track my habit like waking up at 5 a.m., drinking 3 liters of water, going to gym and stay consistent. This idea of building a habit tracker came out of conversations with my friends around New Year resolution. And when I was exploring this idea to build a mobile app, I came across Replit's new feature which allows you to build a mobile app without any coding. So it doesn't matter whether you are a CA, you are a lawyer, you are a freelancer or creator, you can also make this mobile app without any coding like I built. And when I say a mobile app, I mean like the real app which you see on App Store, Play Store, like Netflix, Amazon, Insta and so on. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a mobile app using Replit like I did. And for those who don't know about Replit, it's a platform which allows you to design, build and publish a web app or a mobile app without any coding. All it takes is just a simple prompt and a clarity of thought about what you want to make. So let's get started. Okay, I think now you can see my screen. So I just logged into replit.com. You have to go to that website and you will see this as homepage. It asks me, hey Nandini, what you want to make. There are two options. One is app, another is design. For making a mobile app, we'll stay on the app function. Now if you go down, you have to come here on the web app. Click on this drop down and select mobile app and then write the prompt what you want to make. So since I wanted to make a habit tracker, this is the prompt I used, which is I want an app to track our workout habits, water habits, book reading, 10k steps per day, 5 am club member, etc. etc. We are a group of friends and so on. So there should be a functionality to make friends group. So I described all of this, and once I have done that, I will press enter. And once I press enter, it worked for 35 minutes. And it says that firstly it was determining, okay, I'll build a habit tracking app for you and your friends since you need user accounts and friends group, all of that. Then it started creating a database, and then all those messages went on and on. After that, the app was made. And once it was made, I just checked if it looks like how I wanted it to look like. So as you can see, we have a today section, which is basically what did you do today. Overall, it shows the full completion. Currently it's 0% because I haven't selected any habits which I've done. So let's say if I click on 10k steps done. So this is done. It says 33% is completed. Once I say water is also done, then it says 67%. So this is working fine. Now I'll go to friends. Now there are two groups which I created. So let's go to this group which is called Good Girls. And currently I haven't added anyone, but there is an option to share this code with my friend and he or she can also join. So I can do that. Then there is an option to group chat. So once I do group chat, I will just say hi. And once I press enter, it's done. It says hi, right? Now once I go out, I want to check my history. So it shows weekly view, shows momentum. You showed up 2 days this week. Current streak is 1 day. 5 am club has the biggest upside this week. So these are the insights which I asked Replit to give. Like I just said that I want to make it interesting. Currently the UI UX doesn't look that interesting. So I was giving it ideas. Okay, this is the kind of dashboard you can give. So this would come from iteration. So when you use the same prompt in your Replit, it might not exactly create this because every time you do it again, the output would be different. But you can give your inputs that, okay, this is the color I want, this is the feature I want, and you have to keep iterating. Like if I show you my chats, I was iterating a lot. Like, okay, this was the error, this was the pages look like, and then when I opened the screen, it was black, and I was, like you can see, I was chatting a lot. Currently, the app doesn't remember the logs of past days. So if I would have checked 3 habits yesterday, it won't remember today. So let's build that proper functionality. Then I give it like proper prompts that the first step screen shows today's progress, list of habits, improve the UX and UI while keeping the design minimal, calm and motivation focused. So I described what I want, and you know what I did? I showed the screenshots of this app to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT, what do you think how the app looks like? I don't think it looks great now. Can you give me some ideas? And actually ChatGPT made these prompts, these long prompts to improve the app. And I just copy pasted here and now app looks really nice. I like this version of app. So that's how I made it. I'll go to profile. Here it says that 3 active habits, best streak 1 day, there's an account, there's an email. So there is a proper functionality in this app. Now, when you make a Replit app, I would say giving prompt and iterating is actually a smaller part of the entire theme of making a mobile app. अगर आपने मेरे पहले videos देखे हैं in which I made a website, that was like the bigger part, like iterating and all of that. So if you have already learned that, this is a very small part. But mobile app में एक चीज़ बहुत important है, which is to test it in mobile. So अगर आप देख सकते हैं, there is this window on the right side which says preview on your phone. तो इसके लिए क्या करना होता है? You have to download this app called Expo Go. It's a free app. कोई charges नहीं है इसके. You have to scan this QR code. And once you scan this QR code, आपको को दिखेगा आपका जो ऐप है, ये जो मैंने इसमें दिख रहा है हमारे Replit के पूरे पैनल में, वो आपके मोबाइल पे दिखेगा इसी साइज़ में जो आपके मोबाइल का साइज़ है. एंड देयर इज़ अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि आपके फ़ोन में शायद कोई फीचर नहीं दिख रहा है, मे बी टुडे नहीं दिख रहा है या फिर कलर्स अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहे हैं. सो यू हैव टू टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट एंड टेल Replit, हे आई ओपन इट इन माई फ़ोन बट ये ब्लैक स्क्रीन आ रहा है या फिर ये सब आ रहा है. वो आपको करना पड़ेगा. लाइक आई हैव अ वेरी लॉन्ग चैट while I was trying to improve this, and you might also have a very long chat. I am not doing it live because it would just take a lot of time, but I can show you what it looked like for me. I was doing all these iterations, then I implemented dark theme, etc. So what happened was, this is my mobile screenshot and this was this symbol. Nothing was happening when I click on this. So what I did, I just attached the screenshot and I said nothing happens while I click on the button arrow. Then once it was showing me this error loading app. So what do? So I again asked Replit, okay, this is the error which is shown to me, and then it says this is a connection error, let me fix this. So now it says I fixed this. Okay, then there was this error, कुछ code लिखा रहा था which I didn't understand. So I again asked Replit, this is the error, what should I do? All of that. Now all of this was happening, so I was just iterating with Replit again and again. So you might also need to do that. But once all of that is done, you know what you would want to do? There are 2 things. एक तो friends के साथ share करना है, तो you might also want to build the sign-in functionality, right? So sign-in functionality कैसे build करना है? So 2 चीज़ें होती है. एक तो आपका होता है Replit का sign-in functionality और एक होता है Google sign-in. I would suggest go for Google sign-in. थोड़ा सा time लग सकता है, but that's more reliable. Because email ID is always verified. Replit sign-in में हो सकता है कोई भी email ID password बनाओ चल जाए. That also works, by the way. So let's say you don't intend to publish this app, you want to use within your friends groups. So you might skip, but let me show you how you can do this. So when you want to build Google sign-in functionality, you need to ask Replit this. I want to now enable Google authorization via Google Firebase project for this app. So what are the next steps? So now it tells me, here is how to set up Google sign-in with Firebase. So I didn't go to any YouTube video here. I just asked Replit, okay, this is what I want to do. Tell me how can I do this? And it tells me all the steps. You have to go to this website. You have to create a project. You have to name it Habits Squad. Then you need to go to build authentication and click get started. I followed all these steps. And then step 3 was adding the iOS app to Firebase. I did all of this and eventually this worked for me. Let me show you how the Firebase looked like. So as you can see, this is Firebase and my project name is Habits Squad. And currently, let's go to sign-in method. So Google enabled. So if you have done it right, your screen should show this. So after doing all of this, my sign-in functionality was working. So after your sign in is also done, what you would want to do? You would want to publish it, so you can use it and you can maybe want others to use it for free, maybe initially, and then you might even make a business out of it. You might add a subscription model to it, that okay, if you want to use it for more than 30 days, you have to pay certain amount. It can be a good business model, by the way. There are already a couple of apps in the market for tracking your habits, and they charge you something. Okay, how to publish? So what you need to do is again ask Replit. I just did that. I asked, now I want to publish this app in App Store. I have an Apple developer account. How should I go for launching it? So for publishing, you need to have an Apple developer account, which costs you $99 a year. So I just asked that, and it gave me all the steps that okay, first step is you go to App Store Connect, click on My Apps, click on New App, fill all these details, and as you can see, it also gave me the details that I need to fill. So I need to just copy paste there, then do all of this, run these commands in the shell. How to find shell now? So just go to tools and files, type shell and click on shell. Shell is basically like a terminal or command run for Windows laptop, where you can type commands and press enter and it would run for you. So I needed to do all these commands in the shell. And final steps was your build will appear in test flight, which happened for me, and then you can test your app via test flight on your phone. And once everything is ready, you need to submit it for review. So as of now, I have submitted my app for review. So let's see what happens, and I'll show you how the form looked like for me. So let me log into my Apple developer account. Okay, like you can see, this is my Apple developer account. Habit Squad, which is the name of the app, and it's the entire form. Basically, you have to add the previews and screenshots of the app in a particular size. So वो आपको size dimension बताएगा, उसके screenshot लेने पड़ेंगे. Initially, this might not work. You might need to take a screenshot, then go to Canva and fit it into the desired size. That's what I did because it was not working for me initially, and then it worked. Then you have to write some promotional text, description. If you don't want to waste your time here, you can even ask Replit and just copy paste the text here. The keywords, support URL, you can get all of this from Replit, just ask for it. Then you go to general app information. You have to fill all this information, name, subtitle, bundle ID, category, age ratings, all of that. Not everything is mandatory, so you can just fill the mandatory information. App review, this shows your submission. So I submitted yesterday at 8:22, so that's what it shows. And you have to put a privacy policy URL here, and there are a lot of other things, but not everything is mandatory. What you can do is, since I have submitted, you can't see the option here, but you would be able to see save option here. So once you click on save, the data is saved. So it is a big form, so it might take some time to fill. So whenever you make some progress, click on save. There is this one more option, add for review, right next to save. अभी since मैंने ऐप सबमिट कर दिया तो विजिबल नहीं है, उस पर आप क्लिक करोगे ना, तो अगर आपका फॉर्म रेडी नहीं है तो आपको एरर थ्रो करेगा कि अच्छा यू हैवंट एडेड दिस, यू हैवंट एडेड दैट. सो यू विल जस्ट नो अच्छा ये 5 चीज़ें बची हैं, 3 चीज़ें बची हैं, 2 चीज़ें बची हैं. अगर आपको पूरा फॉर्म देखने में बहुत आलस आ रहा है तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो कि जस्ट कीप क्लिकिंग ऑन ऐड फॉर रिव्यू, एंड वंस इट शोज एन एरर कि स्क्रीनशॉट ऐड करना है, URL ऐड करना है, सो यू जस्ट नो कि अच्छा ये करना है. यू कैन इवन take the screenshot and share with Replit. Okay, these are the things pending. How do I proceed ahead? Or you can even use ChatGPT if you think कि Replit से थोड़ा inefficient हो रहा है, or you don't want to waste your credits. So that is also other thing you can do. Yeah, so this was all about my Habit Squad app. I've submitted for review, so let's see what happens, and that's how you can build it. You can add a sign-in functionality and you can give it for publishing. Now let me show you the other app I built, and it's really cool. I wanted to build an app for learning Bhagavad Geeta, and I wanted to make it a module based learning. So there are 18 chapters. So inside each of the chapters there would be flashcards, which means there would be one shloka on every card, and once you make progress, like one shloka done, second shloka done, third done, it shows you the completion, like 1% done, 2% done, 3% done. And I wanted that there should be a proper shlok mentioned in Sanskrit. I wanted the explanation as well, and what is the so what, like what is the message, what is the quote. So the prompt that I used was, I want to build an app which has a complete Bhagavad Gita in forms of modules, and every module has multiple cards, such as it teaches one slogan, etc. What I told you. So it said, okay, I'll build it for you. It took 14 minutes. So the time taken would also vary depending upon the complexity you want to build. This was very simple app. I didn't want any sign-in functionality. This was just for my own consumption and learning. So 14 minutes में हो गया, पहला वाला 35 minutes में हुआ. So you can see the difference. Because वहाँ पे हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ चाहिए थी. We wanted a friend's dashboard. It was like a proper app which can be commercialized. But this one is just for my own learning. So this is how the homepage looks like, which is Arjuna's dilemma, the yoga of knowledge, the yoga of action. Let's click on the first one. So if I click on the first one, you can see the screen. This says Arjun Vishad Yog. Now these are the flashcards I'm talking about. First was done by me. Let's click on the second one. So when you click on the second one, it's verse 2 and it says the entire shlok in Sanskrit. Then it has the meaning. Like Sanjay said, O king, after seeing the Pandava army arranged in military formation, King Duryodhan approached his teacher Drona and spoke these words. Practical wisdom. When faced with a challenge, seeking guidance from a mentor is natural. Duryodhan's first instinct was to consult his teacher, showing the importance of wisdom in times of crisis. This was the so what. Now let's say I mark it as complete and I go to next. So I can see verse 3. That is, O teacher, behold this mighty army of sons of Pandu. There is a meaning and there is a wisdom. That who leads the enemy was once his student. This shows how our relationships can become complicated when interests diverge. So ऐसा करके पूरा ऐप बनाया. इसमें भी मुझे कुछ iterations करने थे, तो I did those iterations. Now this app also I wanted to see on my phone. So what I did was I had Expogo already. I scanned this QR code and I could see the app. Currently you can see this properly, but there was some problem. I was not able to see the header and footer properly, so I made those changes by asking in the chat that why can't I see the text above Soro. So I think you can now see this image and इसके ऊपर का नहीं दिख रहा था. So I just asked Replit why it is not visible, and there was same issue with footer as well, right? So yeah, that's all I did to build this one, and this one looks really nice. You can even build it for your studies, or let's say if you are in job and you want to learn about a topic and you want phased learning, you can build something like this and also make it more interesting. You can just ask Reply that add funny examples, add real examples to understand them better. So we saw 2 mobile apps and you can see the flexibility it has, right? I don't need to write a code, I don't need to do any drag and drop, I don't need to change the color. I just need to tell, okay, this is what I want, and you can just simply take the screenshot and make the change. If you start building, just make sure that you write a proper prompt. That would be the case for anyone. Like if you code, that is much difficult. So I found it really cool. And if you want to try this feature, you can use my referral link, which will give you $10 worth of free credits to use your Replit account. I'm so excited to see what you build. See you in the next one. Bye bye.